Hey guys, welcome. Thanks for tuning in. I'm going to go over 20 items that have recently sold in our eBay store to hopefully give you an idea of some bolo items while you are out sourcing. All of these items have already shipped out, so I will just put them right here so you can see the sold listing. I'll break down all of the numbers for you at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. I have everything noted here on my tablet so I can give you guys correct numbers. So forgive me if I keep looking down, that's why. The first item that we sold is this Cleveland golf putter head cover. This was from a golf lot and we are already in profit with that lot. So this sold for $12.99 and that was all profit, which is great. This JVC remote was $1 at a yard sale and we sold it for $12. We paid $5 for this Carhartt long sleeve shirt and it sold for $20. This Moana figure was $1 at a garage sale and it sold for $25 plus free shipping. We've actually found these a couple of times and they sell well for us. So we were excited to pick this up and knew it would sell quickly. This vintage Wagnerware cast iron skillet was $5 at a garage sale and we sold it for $45. Cast iron cookware can be worth really good money, especially when it's made in the USA. We love to pick up those pieces. They sell really well for us. And just to clarify, the sold price that I am saying does include cost of shipping as well, so keep that in mind. This White's metal detector was $125. We picked this up on Facebook Marketplace, so don't forget to check your Facebook Marketplace. Sometimes you can find some great items to flip. And this sold for $685. We bought two metal detectors in a lot off of the marketplace. We paid $250 for both of them, and the other one sold for $350. So we made about $700 between the two different metal detectors. This was a really fun pickup. Our kids loved testing them with us. I think we found a couple of pennies and maybe a quarter, so nothing huge, but it was just fun to test them out. Our kids thought it was the greatest. Then we were able to flip them fairly quickly and have some great sales. We paid $3 for this Free People shirt and it sold for $20. We picked up this Mountain Hardwear backpack for $2. I think I showed this on a recent thrift haul that we did and it already sold for $32. Mountain Hardwear is a solid brand to keep an eye out for. They make great outdoor products, jackets, pants, backpacks, etc. This North Face jacket was $5 at a garage sale and it sold for $49. It sold fairly quickly and it actually had a company logo on it. So don't let that deter you. If you find a great brand that has some co-branding, usually it will still sell well, at least it does for us. Also, sometimes it is possible to remove the co-branding if it's embroidered on, and it just depends on the material and the type of embroidery. But I actually found a perfect jacket that I want to show you guys how to remove embroidery. So I am going to be working on that video soon. Keep an eye out for that. Just know that a lot of times you can remove the embroidery and not even know that it was there. If not, you can probably still resell it if you can pick it up for the right price. We paid $5 for these On Cloud women's shoes and they sold for $64. It's no secret On Cloud is a great brand to resell. These Adidas women's shoes were $3 at a yard sale and they sold for $60. These cool women's Traverse pants were $1.50 at a yard sale and they sold for $67. So that was an awesome flip. We got this Jeep transmission module free from a neighbor and it sold for $89. He actually gave us two of these. The other one sold for $84. So don't be afraid to tell your friends and family what you do. A lot of times they're just throwing things away or donating and they don't want to deal with it and they're happy to get it off their hands. Our friend was honestly going to just throw these in the trash. So we were grateful to have the opportunity to sell them, keeps it out of the landfill, put some money in our pocket. And then we usually take our friend out for dinner just as a thank you and we win all the way around. These Solomon hiking boots were only $2 at a garage sale and I picked them up for myself hoping they would fit me. Unfortunately, they were a little bit big. So we listed them and they sold within an hour. So we probably could have gotten a little bit more for them even, but we were just happy to see them move and that was a great profit. So these are definitely a great bolo item. They sold super fast for us. This Mystery Ranch Urban Assault Backpack was $2 at a thrift store and it sold for $108. We found this printer ink on Facebook Marketplace and they were just giving it away. They wanted to trash it and just get rid of it. So we were happy to pick it up. We put the 15 packs up on auction on eBay just to see what would happen. They ended up selling for $140, so we were thrilled with that. These Maui Jim sunglasses were only $1 at a yard sale. Again, love those yard sale prices. And then they sold for $104. This lot of ValueTel books sold for $200. We picked these up for $20 at a garage sale. I've mentioned these before, but we love selling these. They do really well for us. This Patagonia powder bowl jacket was $25 at a thrift store. This was also in a recent haul video that I did, and it sold already for $213. So to break down these 20 items, total cost of goods was $206.50, and total sales was $2,122.99, leaving us with a profit after fees and shipping and cost of goods, of course. Total profit was $1,432.49. So we're really happy with that, grateful for the sales. I hope that this will help you have a few new bolo items in mind to keep an eye out for while you're out sourcing, to hopefully add some more inventory to your store. Please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and if you have, thank you, I appreciate it, and happy thrifting.